Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to adapt your home sewing machine to sew leather. For the thread, you're going to need extra strong thread. This is wax linear thread, and this is only good for hand sewing. Don't use this with your machine or it will jam up all the functions. This is your regular sewing thread and it's not very strong for leather. This is extra strong thread, and you can see if I pull it, it doesn't break easily, but actually I can't even break it. Instead of using pins, clips are much better. This you can use to hold on to your leather, to join them together. With pins, once they've been pierced, you can't undo them. You can't undo it, so it's easier and much better to hold your leather with clips while sewing. Always use the right needles, which are made specially for sewing leather. With this you'll get a very good result. You can get this to buy on Amazon or any haberdashery shop. This is your regular sewing foot. And this is a walking foot. This is very easy. It makes sewing leather very easy because then it has something underneath which helps to pull the fabric, to move it. It's like an extra help. If you don't want to do this, all you do is stick a little bit of tape underneath there, and that will help to move your leather fabric. Finally, try not to backstitch while sewing leather. Instead, you take the two ends of the thread, bring it to one side and tie it together. Thanks for watching my video. If you've really enjoyed it and you've learned something from it, please subscribe, give my video a like and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.